In this video, we will show you how to copy and edit a factory program on the Genesis controller. This process will leave the original preset intact. This can be a useful option if you want to make a slightly different program without creating a custom program from scratch. To initiate a preset program, press the Load button. Choose between loading a bisque, glaze, or glass program. For this example, we'll select bisque. Press OK to proceed. Return to the home screen and press the Edit button. Here, you're able to modify some of the existing program parameters. For more information, you can watch our videos on ceramic and glass programming. To make further alterations and add segments, press the Copy button located at the bottom of the Edit screen. You can now copy the factory program over to one of the user programs. For this example, we will select User 1, blank. After confirming, you will be returned to the home screen, and the copied program will be automatically loaded. Pressing Edit again, you now have the ability to add, delete, or edit segments as needed. For more information, see our video on custom programming. That concludes this tutorial. Stay updated with our latest tips, tricks, and developments by visiting L&L's website at hotkilns.com.